mentioned in a previous video, when the time would come, I would show you guys how to do your pillowcases. So it's about that time for us. So you can, in a front loader, put 2 pillows in at a time. For a top, I would suggest probably 1. And if you don't know if your pillowcases can be washed or not, the tags on your pillows will say if they can be washed in a washing machine. If they're not, I would highly suggest getting a pair of washable pillows. So I already have one in there. You're gonna take your second one, curve it, and put it in there. Run it like a regular wash. I personally do a little bit higher heat, and then I'll add in vinegar, maybe potentially some borax or anything like that, just to get rid of any mildew, must, any additional bacteria that might be in my pillows. And then run it. Once it's done running, you want to do a spin cycle to get rid of any excess water before you put it into your dryer. Once you put it into your dryer, add as many dryer balls as you have, and if you don't have dryer balls, you could also use tennis balls. But as it goes and it spins, it'll help keep the fluff in your pillows. So if you have any comments or questions, leave them below.